Hello, I'm Ginny. Hello, I'm Brenda.
Hi, I'm Derek.
Hey. So guys, today we're going to be talking about what makes up blood. Um, so we're going to talk about what is the importance of blood, what's the function, and how it's important to our everyday survival. The average person has about 5 liters of blood in them. For most women, that's about 4 to 5 liters of blood, depending on their body mass index. And for most men, that's 5 to 6 liters of blood, again, depending on their body mass index. So we average it about to be about 5 liters. By understanding what makes up blood, we can understand how our diet, how our nutrition, and our lifestyle affects our overall health. There are basically 2 parts to blood. There is the plasma portion and the formed elements. So the plasma portion is mostly made up of water, 90% in fact, and 10% is made up of hormones, proteins, glucose, and all of our clotting factors of our blood. The other part of blood, again, is the formed elements. The formed elements consist of red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. So now that we have an understanding of the 2 basic parts of blood, let's drill down a little bit more and talk about those 2 parts in better detail. So the plasma, which is again the liquid portion of blood, is mostly made up of water. We said has hormones to keep our body in what we call homeostasis, or a body balance. It tells our body when to do things and how to do it and in how much. It also consists of proteins that our body needs for everyday survival and health, and clotting factors. Our clotting factors is what allows our blood to clot. If we get a cut, our body is very good at clotting that up pretty quickly so we don't continue to bleed. So if you're dehydrated, because the plasma portion of your blood is mostly water, that can affect your overall health. It cannot move the blood through your body and get all of the nutrients and all of the hormones that we talked about through your body into your cells sufficiently. So remember, the other part of blood consists of the formed elements. And the formed elements are the red blood cells, the white blood cells, and the platelets. So we'll talk about that a little bit more in detail as well. So the red blood cells bind with hemoglobin, and that is what carries oxygen to all of our cells. Remember that there's billions of cells throughout our body, and each of these cells depend on oxygen and nutrients and hormones for survival. So this hemoglobin that binds with the red blood cells carries oxygen to the rest of the body, and also takes out carbon dioxide from our body, which is a waste product. The white blood cells, which we said are the second of the formed elements of the parts of our blood, would make up our body's internal defense system. Guys, this is your immunity. This is what protects your body from all of those foreign invaders that always get you sick. The platelets within your body allows, again, your body to clot. Platelets, along with the clotting factors that are within your plasma, allows your body to stop bleeding when it's been cut. So there are millions and billions of cells, again, throughout your body, and we want to reemphasize that all of these billions of cells relies on these 5 small liters of blood to carry all the nutrients, all the proteins, all the hormones, all the respiratory gases to your body and remove those waste products that can be harmful if they build up. Our dependence on these parts of blood is the key to our survival. So keeping these properties in homeostasis allows you to live a happier and a healthier life. Thank you.